A dresser is a classic furniture piece that people have used for decades. They are handy pieces to store foldable items that cannot be hung. However, with many closets now featuring built-in drawers, the need for dressers is fading. Many people are unsure if they should invest their money in a dresser when they are furnishing their bedrooms. But the truth is, there are many uses for these furniture pieces. Dressers, as you likely know, are typically used to store clothing items. However, there are no rules for storage in your own home. You can use your bedroom dresser as storage for a variety of household items. For example, you can use them to store kids or dog toys, office supplies, electronics, and much more. If you think you would only use one or two drawers, consider what other items you would like to store. Chances are you have many other items that could use a home when they are not being used. Perhaps you have items that you would prefer to store in your bedroom, but have never had the spot to do so. For example, blankets tend to be stored in laundry rooms or linen closets, but it may make more sense to store them in your bedroom if you have the room to do so. The bedroom is an amazing spot for decoration. Family photos, heartwarming quotes, and house plants make for the perfect decorations in a bedroom. However, without a dresser, it is difficult to find a spot for these decorations. A dresser provides much-needed surface space to place your favorite photo of your kids or beautiful houseplants. Your bedroom should feel cozy and comfortable. It should be the room you can walk into and take a deep breath of fresh air after a long day. If your bedroom does not feel like this, consider changing the space around. Whether this means changing your decorations or purchasing a brand new furniture piece, make your space cozy. If your bedroom is less than welcoming, consider purchasing a new style furniture piece, such as a farmhouse dresser or a comfortable lounge chair. Some people feel as though the bedroom isn't finished without a beautiful solid wood dresser. We have to agree. If you have a spacious bedroom, there will likely be an empty wall or two if you do not invest in a dresser. Even if you purchase a tall and narrow dresser, it can still add some personality to your room and make it feel finished. Some prefer to purchase bedroom dresser sets where their bed and dresser match. Many people use bedroom dressers as TV stands. It can be difficult to find a spot for the TV to sit in a bedroom, especially in smaller spaces. So, while dressers are an excellent spot for photos, storing household items, and adding a feeling of coziness, they are also great TV stands. If you want to avoid the look of cords in your bedroom but still want a TV, you can put your cable box or streaming device in one of the dresser drawers. Just be sure not to block off necessary airflow for the device with clothing, as this can lead to overheating. Thanks for watching. Until next time.